Gagawa po tayo ng shake. Hindi na po mga waffle maker, hindi. Ice maker yan. Ice maker. Yung blender po kasi namin, bawal po siya mag-crush sa ice. Kaya, i-crush muna natin yung ice sa ice crushing machine natin. Then, we're gonna make some banana shake. Yeah, wait. Cut this up. Na-crush ko na po itong ice. Ito po. Kasi bawal po sa blender naman yung matigas na yelo. Yun po, na-crush ko na. It's so fluffy na. Yan. Yun po yung balat ng saging. Ganyan na po yung saging. I cut them up. Then, ito po yung evaporado daw po. Tira lang po yan. Tira lang po yan. We're going to make some shake. Some banana shake. It's working. Whoa! So scared. Wait, let me ask my mom. Mami! Mami! Ano unang ilalagay? Yelo? Ano unang ilalagay? Yelo? Sabay-sabay na lang. Okay. Okay, kahit sabay-sabay na daw po. It's my first time making a shake. First, we're going to add the ice. Wow, okay. Now, we're gonna add the bananas. Ooh. Tapos ang pangit pala ng kalabasan. Then, some evap. Evap ba talaga yan? Whatever, basta I'm doing this. I'm gonna cover this up. Ay, sakit pa po ako eh. And, natatakot po ako dito. Kasi ito po, susuot dito para pang mix. Let's go. So scared. Wait, it's not pushing all the way through. I'm gonna mix it. Mix. Try again. Haluin muna natin yung loob. Kasi po, it's not pushing all the way down. Yan. It's my first time doing milkshake. Let's mix it again. It's not going all the way through. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, we're gonna take this out. Let's make space. Let's open that. Milkshake! Whoa! Okay. Milkshake! It's a banana milkshake. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. It looks... Yan na po yung milkshake. Let's see. Para siyang batter. Look. Tryphobia. Milkshake. It tastes okay. It's a milkshake. Wait. Let's put it in a cup.